at the bank we visited. It's this one. It's a room. There's the gate. They have to shut off. Copa compressor. And here's that Ruud back in there. I can't zoom in that. But there they are. It's a Ruud and a Raheem back there. And that Raheem just shut off. Right here. It's a 2023 5-ton. And here's that one in there. I'm guessing it's like the same. I can't tell. And I think it's a yeah, it's been running. Oh, and that just shut up. This one's shut up. I'm gonna start it up. Yeah. They were the units at the bank we visited. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And over and out. Oh, and that one just started up too.